Okay, everybody, so we've moved to a second location, obviously, around the Red Lake. We noticed when we were recording the video earlier that that red color of the water really didn't appear to be strong the way we're seeing it live and in person, so we were looking for a second area to shoot to give you guys a better view. And I think this is showing you guys that red coloration and how deep that red iron staining is in the water, so you better appreciate the level of the contamination. So just a couple more comments that I wanted to make about impacts to the surrounding community from sites like this. This is not the only site in the region that has contamination from the anthracite mines. There's quite a few sites, as I was describing, on the Earth Conservancy lands. But this is probably by far the largest water body that has this type of iron staining. So, you know, although again you can't see, we've got a lot of vegetation surrounding this water body, species that have been able to adapt to these acidic conditions. But beyond this area are some homes. And, you know, I want you to think about, you know, property values. You know, the value of those homes, because they're located close to a fairly heavily contaminated site. So, you know, to me it's pretty obvious that, you know, a home that's, you know, a quarter mile from this lake is going to have a significantly lower value than homes in other parts of the county. So, you know, that's another way to think about the larger community impacts from this historic environmental pollution. And, you know, think about the longevity. How many generations have been dealing with these old abandoned sites and the impacts from them. You know, northeastern Pennsylvania, you know, struggles economically compared to Philadelphia, Harrisburg, Pittsburgh, even the Allentown, Reading area, in part because of our environmental legacy from all of this pollution. So, you know, we're going to stop at a couple of other sites during the course of this lab activity and give you an idea of some of the other types of impacts from anthracite coal mining and some of the restoration efforts that are occurring as well. So that's a wrap.